You never build a team through relationships.
Mm.
That doesn't work. And the reason why it doesn't work is that's people-centered, not outcome-driven. If you look at any sports team, they don't work on their relationships first. They get on the field and they learn their plays and they learn to execute. And while they're executing, they build trust. They build habits. And we trust in the habits. We trust in knowing that someone's going to show up when they're supposed to show up. We're going to get the information when we need to get the information. We're going to be included in the decision when a decision is being made. And it's in those execution that we actually build relationships and trust. It's not through having trusting relationships. So there's a very big difference between relationship trust and execution trust. And it begins with the execution, because that's our purpose. And that's how we need to then show up, not based on our style, not based on our comfort zone, but actually based on the outcomes we need to achieve. And if you approach it the other way, it becomes all about making everybody comfortable with their style. And look, I'm all for style inventories to build diversity of inclusion. But styles inventories is the worst thing you can do for effective execution. You never build a sports team or music group around people's personality styles. You build it around what's going to make the play, what's going to produce the result. And then everybody has to conform to that, even if it's not my favorite style. And that's how we grow and learn.